Hello, beautiful friends, and come join me today. We're going to make flower arrangements for a wedding shower. Now, their theme is MARGS and Matrimony. So it's going to be really cute. She wanted limes down in the vases, and I got a mix of light roses, darker roses, Gerber daisies, carnations, the little green things they call green buttons. But come along, and I'm going to use a little bit of stuff from my garden and show you guys how easy it is to make your own flower arrangements. Also, we're trying to hit 3,000 subscribers, so we would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, like, and comment and let us know where you're viewing in the world. We would love to hear from you. So now what I think I'll do is I'm going to take a little glass container, and she wants limes in them, but instead of putting limes in the entire container, I'm going to do this, and then I'll fill this up with water to hold it down. And I'm hoping that this will hold the limes, kind of in place and look like the entire cup's full or the entire vase when only, a section of it is really full. I need to cut a few more. Okay, so I have the little vase filled up as much as I want, and now I'm going to just use some of the flower food. I'm going to use about half this packet in this cup that they gave us. Fill it with water. I'm just going to pour the water down into all of it. I'm going to do the cup in the middle first. And then I was thinking the limes will kind of help me almost act like a frog, so that the flowers will, kind of go in there tightly. One down and 7 more to go. Okay, so we have the lemons, the limes, because it's a margarita and matrimony shower. And I'll have Nikki put the picture up that she sort of gave me for inspiration. But I did tell her, we'll have to do flowers that are in season. So the picture that she sent me is peonies. And I did look for them, but they are out of season. I went to our local florist here, and I got some flowers from our local florist. And then I also went to our Kroger, and our Kroger had these dozen roses for $8. So I got 3 dozen roses. I got some in the little pink and a little bit brighter pink there. And I got some Gerber daisies and some little, I'm not sure what these are, but they're so cute. I got some carnations. So come along with me, but first we got to go outside and pick some greenery for the arrangements. I feel like my coleus needs a trim anyhow. So okay, so I think I'm going to start with the coleus first. Give it a little greenery. You just got to play with it and see how far down. It's kind of pretty. Yeah. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll cut some of these longer pieces, or shorter pieces, I should say. Kind of stick them coming out here on the sides. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to take all the leaves off my roses, and anything that's looking, I'm going to go through. Ooh, this rose doesn't look good at all. We're going to skip this rose. And then I'm going to go around the rose. I'm going to take out all the outer petals so that we'll have really fresh petals. And then I kind of like to go in and sort of pinch it open. You guys see that? Go in there and sort of pinch, kind of pull it. It'll open up by itself, but I want some of them to look more open and then some of them to look more closed up. A little pro tip, when you're taking your petals off, you know, we're just taking the 2 or 3 layers off the outside just so we have fresh petals. If you hold your flower right at the base and pull, they come off without like tearing, and half of it's not, well, see that little piece right there? That's what we don't want. But for the most part, it kind of helps to hold it at the base, I've noticed. First flower I think I want to use is these really pretty pink roses, and I'm going to fluff this one up a little bit more. Go in and sort of pull gently. Some of them I want them to be kind of budded up, so some of them are fuller naturally than others. And then what you want to do is cut your stem off at an angle. Just kind of eyeball where you think you want it cut. Yeah, I think that's pretty. And then I cut one already and sort of fluffed it up too. We're just going to turn it and pop one. Whoops. Lost my leaf. Pop one sort of maybe down a little tighter. Let this one be higher. And let that one go a little tighter. I think I'm gonna do 3 of the roses. Maybe I should come over just a little smidge. There we go. And then we'll come around to this corner here. Maybe get one that's not so open, because I think that's pretty. Okay, now let me try to think and see what the next flower. I was thinking the next flower could be these white carnations. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have only 9. So I'm thinking just maybe 1 in each. And then I have pink ones. And I think that would be pretty too. These really don't need fluffed up that much. They're really, really pretty. Let's pop one of these pink carnations in here. Let's see. There. And then I'm going to try one of these hot pink. It's showing up red, but they really are hot pink. And I think I'm going to cut this one a little longer because I want to try it right in the middle. And go just a tiny bit shorter. Not much. Yeah, I think that's pretty. The next flower I have are these little, but I think she called them green buttons. I thought they were just so cute. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some stems that have like maybe one or two and just kind of pop them in there. Try to get the stem long enough so it'll still hit the water. This one in a group here. Maybe take this one off. Ew, that's kind of pretty, you guys. Okay, I'm sort of loving this. I sort of wish I would have bought more of the white carnations because I think I only have 8, maybe 10, I'm not sure. But I really do like this a lot. I wish I would have not gotten this pink one. I'm not loving that pink color, but it's going to be pretty, I think. And I like the pop of the bright in there. And then the limes at the bottom are looking really, really pretty. Okay, so I have one other, I think I overbought on my flowers. I don't think I'm using the Gerber daisies at all, so I just think this looks simple and pretty. I do not know what these are called, but I just thought they were sweet. And I only got one little bunch of them. I got, I think, 4 of these stems here. So I'm just going to cut off a few and kind of pop in there just for a little extra layer. Well, I got them all done, and I sent pictures to the lady that I'm making them for, and she said she loves them. I also sent pictures to my really good friend who was helping her decorate, and she said to me that you're not going to believe how well these are going to match her decor. So I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Yeah, I also saved all the extra petals so that she can maybe decorate the tables with them. Well, thank you guys for spending your last 15 to 20 minutes with me today. And I really love these. I think the color theme is really, really precious. And I'm really excited to see them on the tables. So I'll share that with you guys as well. And thank you so much. And go find a really pretty pink rose and go find your passion today. Thank you.